Prior to putting a child into a standing frame, the brakes should be applied and the relevant equipment checks should be carried out first. The child is positioned either in a chair or in their wheelchair in front of the standing frame, and feet are placed inside the foot plates and straps applied. The child may be able to assist to stand, and this should be encouraged if they are able. If they need more assistance, your physiotherapist will advise you on the assistance that they require. The centre strap is applied either in standing as shown or before the child sits up. Again, your physiotherapist can advise you on this.